Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. There's never enough sauce for recipes. I have one for this, another one for that, one that pairs well with a particular dish, and so on. In the past, I've been sharing many of them, but there's another one that I really enjoy because it's sweet and tangy with a little hint of spice in the background. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my sweet chili sauce. This is a popular condiment that I use in many recipes, like my sweet and sour pineapple pork, triple chili sauce, and others. It's so flavorful and very easy to make. A great condiment to add to your list. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a medium saucepan over medium heat, we'll add water, rice vinegar, granulated sugar, some ketchup, minced ginger, then pressed garlic and sambal oleg. We'll stir until everything is well combined and bring the mixture to a simmer. While it's warming up, we'll add a couple drops of food coloring. I use my homemade version, not a commercial one. So to get the recipe, click on the top right corner of your screen. So when it starts simmering, we'll set our timer for 5 minutes. When time is up, we'll add the cornstarch mixture and stir very well until the sauce thickens, which should take less than 45 seconds. Then we'll remove from the heat and let the sauce cool off before proceeding with our recipe. And my friends, this is our sweet chili sauce. With a little bit of heat along with the sweetness, this is a tasty and versatile condiment. You can use it in so many different ways, as a dipping sauce, salad dressing, and in recipes. The beauty of making it from scratch is you can adjust the heat level to your liking. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!